Okay, so here we have another quick and easy meal ready in under 30 minutes. So I have frozen biscuits here that I put in the oven 23 minutes, 350 degrees. So you see me just cutting those in half and then getting the egg that I also made in the oven 350 degrees for about 15 minutes or so. And I'm just going to cut that up and then place the egg on the biscuit. And then what I'm gonna add to this is cheese. I'm just gonna add a slice of cheese to each biscuit and then the sausage patties. And so here you see I cooked the sausage patties on foil in the oven on a baking sheet. And here I'm just gonna get some of the oil off the sausage patties. We don't want that oil on our biscuits. And so I'm just gonna kind of take some of the oil off with a paper towel on the bottom and then add those sausage patties to my sausage biscuits. Now this meal takes me out of the drive-through, and that's really my goal here. When I'm coming up with quick, easy meals for my family and I am trying to not go to a fast food restaurant, I can make these things at home. And so that's what you see me doing here. This meal comes together in under 30 minutes, and I can use it for lunch or breakfast, and I can even use it for dinner if I wanted to.